So for number 3, you have these 2 points here, right? So you want to write in this format.
Wait, number 3 is like at page 1.
It says here chapter 3, number 3 and 4, writing an equation from exponential function. That's what it says.
Ooh.
I'm looking at what it says here.
Yeah, the use y equals 8 times.
Yeah, exactly. That's
okay.
that's exactly what I'm doing.
Okay,
Does that make sense? No, I don't know. You gotta tell me. I don't know.
Okay.
That makes sense.
It's just me. I thought I already did number 3, but I did the wrong number 3.
Gotcha. Okay, no worries. Okay, so now, how do you do this? You can plug in 0 for x and 3 for y and solve for a. Because you get 3 equals a times b to the 0 power. B to the 0 power is 1, so a is 3, right? Then, if we have y equals 3 times b to the x, you can plug in 6 for y and 2 for x and solve for b. So b is root 2.
Okay. I see.
So y equals 3 times root 2 raised to the x power. And that's your answer for that one. Hopefully that makes sense.
Okay.
So we're okay at that one?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. All right. So why don't you try number 4 now? Very similar problem.
Number 4. So it's a times b to the x.
Right.
So the y is 2, right? Y is 2.
And x is 0.
Yeah, and x is 0.
Correct.
And a oh, I see. So a would be 1, right? Like a is 1, right?
Yours gonna be 2 actually.
Oh, a is 2?
Right.
2 is y.
Yeah, 2 equals a times b to the 0 power. When we solve for a, what do you get?
It's a times 1 equals 2. So oh.
Right. So a is 2.
I see.
So now y equals 2 times b to the x power. Now plug in 3 and 1 for x and y.
Okay. So then it's 3 and 1. So the y equals 1. So that's 1 equals 2 times 3.
So 1 equals 2 times b cubed.
Yeah.
This solve for b.
2 times oh, isn't it like 2 times, wait, isn't it like 2 times cube root of 1?
Cube root of 1/2, whatever that is.
Cube root of 1/2.
Yeah, it's gonna be like that. If that makes sense.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep on moving. Okay, next up. Yeah, and I could just pull that up here.
Okay. Yeah, next is 25.
25, 26. Okay, so that's. That is not graphing. I don't know what 25, 26 is. Something else.
Yeah, graphing trig and exponentials.
Yeah, that's not graphing. That's writing an equation. I could look at something else.
I mean,
35 to 38 will be graphic.
I mean, yeah, I still have to do those though. I mean, like this is an assignment.
Okay. Oh, okay. Let's do it then. Okay. I thought you were just practicing for fun.
It's an extra credit thing.
Oh, got it. Yes, you mentioned that. Sorry.
It's due the day of the final.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So for 25, so the way that that's gonna be set up is y equals c over 1 plus b to the x power. Actually, let me make sure I have that correct. Let's write like that. I'm just trying to think. Actually, I think it's more proper to write like yeah, I think you write it like this, y equals so c. So yeah, let me write it more cleanly. Y equals c over 1 plus a times b to the x power. So your c value is what we call the limiting factor. So that's gonna be 20. So y equals, so 20 is up top.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna plug in 0 for x, solve for a. And of course y is 5. That's 1 plus a. Cross multiply. So a is 3. So you have 20 over 1 plus 3 times b to the x. Then I can plug in 10 for y and 3 for x. And my job is to solve for b. Off this side here. Excuse me. So b would be the cube root of all that chunk. So your,
Okay.
so your equation will be this. And that's your answer. So you can do the same thing for 26.
So the answer is cube root of 1/3.
Correct. That's the b value. The a value is 3 and the c value is 20. Okay. So go and try 26 now. So your c value is 44. Then plug in 0 for x. So you're gonna start by doing this. Y equals 44 over 1 plus a times b to the x. You can plug in 11 for y and 0 for x.
Okay.
and solve for A. And then you'll solve for B after that.
Times b to the 0?
Yeah, what's B to the 0 power?
B to the 0 power is just 1.
Correct. So 11 will equal 44 of 1 plus A. And you do a
Then
little
it equals 3.
switcheroo. A is 3, correct. So now Y will equal 44. Now putting a 5 for X and 22 for Y and keep solving.
And then plug in 5 for x.
And 22 for Y.
Okay. So 1 plus a times b to the 22nd.
You got an answer for B?
I said like so it's 1 plus a times b to the 22nd, right?
Yeah, so you have yeah, 22. A little switcheroo. That's 3B to 5th power.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll be the 5th root 1/3.
Okay. 3b to the 5th equals 1. Huh, okay. So when you like divide by 3 then?
Yeah, and then you do the 5th root.
And you do, yeah, the 5 root of
1/3.
b.
Right. Right.
The 5 root of b equals 1/3.
Correct.
Oh, well, I put that wrong. Okay, yeah. So
Okay, so now let's move on to 32,
35.
35. So do you know how to graph these?
Um, the log base 2 of x plus 4.
So X equals 2 to the Y power. Okay. Plug in 1, 0, -1. Then you can make an adjustment. If it's X plus 4, you're going to take away 4 from the X coordinates. You're going to plot those points. What you're doing is you're setting each of these equal to x plus 4. And so
Oh,
on for
okay, so it's
x.
negative
That's really what you're
2.
doing.
I guess, yeah, so it's a -2, -3, and a
And negative
negative
3.5.
3.5.
And the asymptote will be at -4 for x.
Okay, so then it goes 1, 0, -1. So like so kind of like this, right?
Okay. So what's your graph? Correct. Good. Okay. All right. So then for the next one, fortunately we have the same parent function. You're gonna set 4 minus x equal to each of those. If you solve for x in each case, you'll get 2.
Did I get the graph right, by the way? Like
Right,
the
yes, you did, yes.
uh,
You get 2, 3, and 3.5. Because essentially what you're doing is you're taking away 4 and then multiplying by -1.
okay.
Or actually multiply -1, then adding 4. Well, same thing. But if you do it correctly, you set 4 minus x equal to each of those x coordinates to solve for x. In each case.
Okay, and then for 36.
Okay. And so you plot those, and your asymptote will be at 4. And it gets reversed.
Yeah. The asymptote is at
4.
yeah, 4.
Correct.
Okay, yeah, so that's the graph. Hmm. And then yeah, okay, so next is 37, right? Huh.
Okay, so for 37, you're gonna set x minus 1 teach you. So you're gonna add, you're just adding one to all the x coordinates. So that'll be 3, 2, 1.5. Then you're gonna multiply the y's by -1 and add 2.
Okay.
-1, add 2. -1, add 2. -1, add 2. There we go.
Okay, okay. So it's just 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so 37 and then
Again, for 38. Yeah, so
Wait,
the graph will
hold
look.
on.
Oh,
I'm
so
just
yeah.
gonna graph 37 real quick.
Well, sure, take your time. You're good, you're good, good. Take your time.
Oh, the asymptote for 37 is which one again? Negative.
1, 1,
It's
1.
just 1. Okay.
X equals 1. And it gets reversed also.
Yeah, that's 37. Okay, got it. I got it right.
Yeah, and the 38, you're going to shift 1 left. So for the parent function, we're going to take away 1 from x. Which would be 1, 0, -1/2. Then you want to multiply y by -1 and add 4. And that's what you want to plot. But pretty similar
Okay.
to 38.
One second, one second. Okay, asymptote for 38 is -1, right?
Right.
Hmm?
Right, correct.
Okay, so I got basically almost the same as 38. I mean
Okay,
37.
cool. Yeah, yeah. All right. The next up,
It's
evaluate. That should be pretty fast. 34.
oh no, next is 59 to 62.
Oh, you should have. That's the matching. So I'll let you kind of look through and tell what you think.
Okay. Um f of x equals log to the fifth x. So hmm. Oh, match the function. I think since it's positive, wouldn't it be like 59, wouldn't it be like this
It'd be it'd be C.
C?
Yeah.
Huh.
Because log always has that shape. And then 61 would be B because it's flipped over the x-axis, the y-axis.
60 is B?
61 is B.
What about 60?
60 is going to be D, because that's a log function, but it's the base is less than 1. And then 62 is A because you have a horizontal asymptote of y equals 0. Does happen at that one there.
Okay, and then 62. 62 is just A.
Right. Now let's do 31 through 34.
It's a 602.
Oh, sorry.
Isn't it like 602?
602.
Yeah, I mean like the time.
Oh, I can go another 10 minutes just to wrap up, unless you have to go somewhere.
Uh, not really, not really. I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, let's do yeah, because I pushed about my 6 o'clock call, so just because I started late with you. I just want to make sure you get the time you need from me. Um, gosh, you have to do all these? That's a lot of problems. I think we can get most of chapter
I
3
have 8
done.
days to do it, so
True, you could do a little bit each day. Okay, so 31 through 34 should be pretty fast. That's x equals 3 to the 5th power. 32 is x equals 2 to the y power. 33 is x over y equals e to -2 power. And lastly, 34 is a over b.
oh, okay. Yeah. It's 31 is yeah, x equals 3 to the 5th. 32 it's equals 2 to the y. 33 is x over y equals e to the negative 2. And 34 is just a over b equals 10 to the negative third.
Right. Okay. The next step is 5 to 10. Simplify exponential equations. That's not simplifying equations, graphing. Doesn't make any sense.
5 to 10 solving simplifying exponential equations.
Yeah, well, anyway, we'll do it. So how do you transform 2 to the x to get this? So you can think of number 5 like this. Y equals so I guess we could say you horizontally shrink it by a factor of 2, reflect about the y-axis, and shift up 3 units. So you here, I'll type it up for you.
Okay. Right, are that's the
Yeah.
answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the graph
If you graph it, I mean, we just be kind of simple about it. If I plug in like 0, I get 3. No, I get 4, actually. If I plug in 1, I'll get 3 and a 4th.
okay.
If I plug in -1, I get 7. And as a horizontal asymptote, y equals 3.
Okay, okay. Okay, yeah. Got it.
Yeah. Ugh, man, it's just gonna take a while to do these, but that'll be -2 squared raised to -x. So, so again, if I plug in 0, I should get -1 actually. Plug in 1, get -1/4. Plug in -1, get
Okay.
-4, I think. Yeah. I think it kind of looks like this.
Okay, so yeah, I got number 6. So should we still do Sunday?
Yeah, well, I got a couple more minutes. Hold on. We'll stop there. Yeah, I'll do Sunday at 5.
Okay.
Just keep going, and yeah, then we'll also meet next Tuesday, and then you have a final on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, I already sent the invite, so we're good.
Okay.
Cool. I'll see you later.
See you later.
Bye.